Seen Azure for 3 or 4 years now, and she saved my skin. I do a couple different things. I'm a performing musician, so I'm out there on stages with girls that are, 20, 21 years old and have flawless skin. And it's really important to keep your skin youthful and radiant, and that's why I come see Azure. Initially, when we first began treatment, I came a lot more frequently because I had cystic acne. I had zits, as it were, or what she calls them plugs, basically bumps on the skin that needed to be extracted. So in the beginning, it was a bit intense and a bit intimidating because she said that I needed to come pretty frequently, something that I wasn't prepared for. But she said that she was going to really help me and actually solve my problem. So I committed to it, and I started to see her every 2 weeks in the beginning. And now I only come about every 6 weeks or so, 6 to 8 weeks. So our treatments are, I don't have to come as frequently because my skin improves so much. I'm so thankful to her for helping me, and I've come a long way with my skin. So.